Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Clash Royale account. The only official and reliable way to recover a lost or inaccessible Clash Royale account is through Supercell's in-game support. This method ensures your account's security and prevents unauthorized access. You'll need to access the game, even if it's on a new device, to begin the process. This is the first crucial step towards regaining control of your progress and collection. Once you are in the Help and Support section, locate the Contact Us button, usually represented by a message icon. Tap on this to start a chat with a Supercell support agent. Clearly explain that you need to recover a lost account. The support team will then guide you through a series of questions designed to confirm you are the legitimate owner of the account you are trying to retrieve. To successfully recover your account, you'll need to provide specific details. This includes your exact in-game name, your player tag if you remember it, and the name of your last clan. Crucially, try to recall the approximate date you first started playing and any in-app purchases you've made, including the exact amounts. Also, mention the last time you accessed the account and the models of devices you used to play. After providing all necessary information, the support team will review your case. The recovery process usually takes about 1 to 2 days. During this time, it's important to be patient and avoid trying to create new accounts or make purchases on the lost account. For future security, always link your Clash Royale account to a Supercell ID. This simple, free step provides a robust and straightforward way to access your account across multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.